Chase? Are you okay? What happened? Are you okay? Oh, it's Jay. Are you okay? Okay, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Can you get my visor open?
Yeah. Did you hit your head at all?
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. He's talking to me.
I'm good, yeah. I need a minute or 5.
Don't move too much.
Fuck!
Your shoulder's a little bit bit up. Does it hurt?
Damn it.
Yep, you'll be sore tomorrow. No, don't. Did you hit your head at all?
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What happened?
Honestly, I felt fucking cool. Did we hit the guardrail? No.
The rim's bent.
What's that?
The rim is bent.
Did you hit your head?
Yeah, you're scraped up.
Did you go unconscious? No.
You wanna get the bike up? Look at me, look at me.
That fucking is
Yeah, I think it's okay.
yeah, I'll be good.
Well, you're not going nowhere on your bike, right?
Yeah, that's pretty fucked up.
Oh shit, is the rim fucked up?
Yeah.
Yeah, your wheels crashed. Hey, it's just a bike, man. You're okay. That's important. Let's stop it, guys.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
no problem, guys. You're all right?
Yeah.
You're gonna have a way to get this back. Oh yeah, okay. You got it. All right, guys. Appreciate it.
Will the CBR fit on the back?
Yeah. How's your neck?
Neck feels fine.
Everything tones?
It's left arm, left lower leg.
Your shoulder looked pretty bit up.
Yeah, well, I slid with the bike though. My leg was under the bike the whole time. So honestly, I don't even know how my ankle is. It's
Let me see.
okay. It feels alright. Just a little
Well, I mean, you can move it, so that's good.
yeah. I know my leg's scraped up underneath.
Yeah, I don't think anything's broken. You should be okay. You're gonna be sore tomorrow, that's for sure, though.
Dude, I can fucking heal. I'm upset about the bike.
I just want to make sure you're okay.
Bikes can be fixed, bud. You wanna get up?
What the fuck is my feet?
It's kind of dangling off. It's right here. It unclamped itself, kind of.
No, just fucking sore on my left side. I know my leg's fucking scraped up really bad. No, nothing's broken, I don't think. I don't know how fast I was going, probably about 45, 50. All I know is I was running wide a little bit, and I saw the runoff, and I tried to aim for the runoff over here, and I guess I fucking hit the gravel or something.
Yeah, it's really sketchy.
I am going to. Yeah, it's probably partly adrenaline. I know I'm gonna be fucking sore. Oh, that actually didn't tear all the way through.
Yeah, just go chill for a minute, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you're good.
Did you unzip the jacket or did it like rip open? Fuck.
It's kind of ripped right here.
Yeah, I know it's ripped on the shoulder. I just don't remember if it got unzipped.
Yeah, I unzipped it.
Oh, okay, you unzipped it.
Jay. Jay. Come on.
Alright.
Just as long as you're okay. The bike can heal, but you just replace it.
Yeah, let me take my jacket off.
Yeah.
Actually, for that, I can't hand it off. That comes off. That's out. Oh, the GoPro's unscathed.
That's good. That shit's expensive.
Okay, you guys sure you're not gonna need hand loading that bike on there?
Yeah, we have 2 other riders that should be coming back down. Yeah.
Do you want me to ride ahead and see if I can find Chase? Yeah?
You didn't hear me over the phone.
I heard you. You said fuck, 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 fuck.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go find Chase.
This gravel and you lost it? Is that right?
I was running wide on this turn, and I saw the runoff, and I didn't want to hit the guardrail, so I aimed for the runoff, and
Oh, I see now.
yeah, and I guess I just fucking lost it on the gravel. Next thing I know, I was over here.
I didn't see it. I just saw like a cloud of dirt.
Well, I guess you picked the right spot to do it.
Yeah.
Instead of off the side of the mountain.
Alright, you guys got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.